What is AI OFM? This is probably one of the biggest questions that's currently going on the internet. And the reason for this is because AI OFM is becoming one of the most viral topics and business models that people are getting into, especially approaching 2026. So what exactly is AI OFM and how can I explain it in a way where you're going to be able to understand it with absolutely zero business experience? So AI OFM is basically where you create an AI influencer, start to market them online, and then monetize them on platforms like fanvue. Fanvue is basically a competitor to OnlyFans. This basically means that you can create your own OnlyFans model and then start to make money as if you are an OnlyFans model without having to show your face, know any complicated nerd stuff, or have any previous business experience. And this is why it's currently going so viral in 2026. So I'm going to explain to you in a little bit more detail on exactly how this process works and how you get money from this. So I'm going to try to keep it as simple as possible, no nerd stuff, no bollocks, just basic information that you need to know about the business model. Now, firstly, there's three main things that you need to be aware of to be able to succeed in this business model. And these three main things are the only things that you need to be able to do to get money. Firstly is create your AI influencer. This influencer normally takes about half an hour to an hour to make, is very, very basic, and lots of people always try and complicate it online. But if you get the basics done well, you can easily create this influencer within one afternoon. The second thing is marketing. Marketing your influencer is probably the hardest and the most important thing with your AI model. However, if you follow our advice and you can learn about marketing or you have previous experience in marketing, you should be absolutely fine. Once again, it's the easiest product to market. It's attractive women or attractive blokes. It's not very hard to market that. And then the third thing is creating sales or monetizing your content on fanvue, which isn't that complicated, but if done incorrectly, you won't make any money. So these are the three main things that you need to know to be able to get into the AI OFM business model, and each step comes with its own learning curve. In terms of difficulty, I'll lay it out for you. Overall, the business model is probably a medium difficulty, it's an easy difficulty, but once you get it going, it's a very passive business model. So that's the pros of that. Creating an AR model is extremely easy nowadays, and coming into 2026, it will be the most easy part of this business model. Secondly, there's marketing, which is the only hard part really of this process, because a lot of the time it requires a little bit of experience or a little bit of knowledge, or you can just start from scratch and learn how to market. But once again, it's a very good transferable skill if you do learn how to market. And then the last thing is monetization and sales on the fanvue page. Now this is normally just outsourced. It's pointless trying to learn how to sell to old guys online. Outsource that service and your life will be very easy. That's why it's an easy to medium level, because if you outsource that last thing, it's very, very easy. If you try to do it, it does get a little bit harder. Then the last thing I want to mention is this business model is obviously the fastest and the most viral business model on the internet currently. So that is why you need to stay updated. Things change very, very quickly. You may have tried this 6 months ago. Maybe it didn't work, maybe you couldn't create a model. Things have completely changed. It's 10 times easier to make a model now than it was 6 months ago to a year ago, and so on. So if I'm going to give you one tip when it comes into AI OFM, is to stay updated as possible with pretty much everything across the board, because things are changing very quickly and things are only improving. So you need to make sure that you learn the new tips so you can stay up to date, get the most optimized fast route methods so you can compete within the market. The market currently, very small. There's not many people doing this, but it is growing extremely quickly because of the amount of people getting good results from the business model. So if you need any more information, feel free to kind of subscribe, all of that kind of stuff. Or if you want to ask any questions about the business model, feel free to leave it down below. I'll try and make a video based on that, but that's pretty much everything you need to know.